Hello, today we will unbox and review the Iron Man Mark 6 figure from ZD Toys. Let's get started. The box has a shiny dark red finish with prints on all its sides. If we look on the front of the box, there is an artwork of the Iron Man which is not like the kind of design we saw on the previous Mark releases. The arc reactor design on this box is based on the Mark 6 of course. The box right side has an image and name of the Mark 6, unlike in the previous boxes, it's just plain text. On the other side, another image of the Mark 6, and the Avengers logo can be seen. This suit appeared both in Iron Man 2 and the Avengers film. The Disney license sticker is also placed on this side. On its back, pictures of the Mark 6 and cool poses are printed. The product description in Chinese text is also present on this side of the box. Moving on to the unboxing. Opening the box from the arc reactor is the coolest way to start with.
What?
There is a card cover with the portrait of the Mark 6. Its back has an instruction on how to assemble the flight stand. The package comes with the Iron Man Mark 6 figure. Woo! We've got freebies from Goody Good Deals too. The Mark 6 accessories are in here too.
Woo!
The Mark 6 armor design is based on the Mark 4, with exception of the new triangular-shaped unibeam on its chest piece and armor coloring. Its overall color design uses red, gold, and silver plates. It is the first armor to feature a triangular-shaped unibeam on its chest piece. The Mark 6 armor has a more powerful core arc reactor, allowing room for more improvements. The suit can withstand prolonged and extreme combat situations with relatively minor damage. The figure is 7 inches tall and weighs approximately 420 grams. The material is made of ABS, PVC. As I mentioned in the Mark 6 description earlier, ZD Toys adapted the color scheme onto this figure. The distribution of the colors red, gold, and silver on this figure is awesome. The back plating of this figure is pretty neat. The paint application is exceptional for a non-metallic figure. The design of the arc reactor was spot on, just like in the films. The panel lining all over its body is so accurate. Pads are also attached on both shoulders. This too has flaps gimmick. The flaps design is different from the previously released Marks. Also, the inner armor is very much noticeable on this figure, because it is differently colored. Moving forward to its articulation. The head can slightly look up and down. And side to side. It can also be rotated fully. The shoulder is on a ball joint. Its arms can be raised sideways and can do a full rotation. Wrists and arms also can be rotated. Elbows can be bent, but on a limited motion. The torso has a limited movement from side to side, but it can arch back and bend forward a little. Unfortunately, there is still no waist articulation on this figure, just like the earlier models. Hips are on a ball joint. Its legs can go sideways, forward, and a little backwards. Thighs can also do a full rotation. This has a double hinged knee. Notion articulation. Foot is on a ball joint and no toe articulation. Let's check its accessories. This figure comes with 3 pairs of extra hands, which are molded differently for different poses. And 4 fire effects to be used on both hands and feet. A flight stand is also included on its accessories. This has the logo of the Avengers and the armor's name on it. This is one heck of an action figure. The details, the colors, and the articulation is superb. I just wish that they could have included more accessories, like smart micro guns, mini missiles, unibeam effects, etc. But regardless, this figure is already great without them. So, what are your thoughts about this figure? Just comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.